Consider a program P that contains two sources. It is given in GATE. You can read that question. So it is GATE 2004 question. Okay, so you please read it. Now consider a program P that contains two source modules. So what is a module? That is nothing but two programs separately written. Now two modules M1 and M2 contained in two different files. Generally what we do is, if a program is too big, we generally write it in various files and then compile them separately and then link them, load them and run it. That is the procedure. That is what they are saying. They are saying that there are two modules M1 and M2 and both are in two different files, right? If M1 contains a reference to a function defined in M2. So what happens is, you have a file M1 and you have a file M2 and there are two different files as a sources, right? And then what happens, they will be compiled, right? I mean compiling and assembly, then we are going to get object modules M1 and object module M2, right? And when we give it to the linker, right, so linker is going to resolve it, right? They are saying that M1 contains a reference to a function defined in M2, which means this one is referring to here, right? Then how can the linker know that this one is referring here? Because in the symbol table in M1, symbol table of object file M1 will contain external reference, right? This external reference will point to M2, or this external reference will contain a symbol, right, which will be present in the symbol table of M2, and both will be the same directories. That is how linker will find out. Are you understanding this? See, both are written separately and both will be compiled separately and both will generate separate object files, and each object file will contain the symbol table. And now M1 is referring a symbol. Definitely it doesn't have the symbol. That is called external reference, right? And now when it is externally referred, M2, if it contains the symbol, then linker will find out how. Generally both the modules are supposed to be present in the same directory and both the modules are given to the linker. That is in general, or they can even be present in different directories, but convention is both of them are present in the same directory. And whenever they are given to linker, what will linker try to do is, it will scan the symbol tables and it will prepare one more symbol table which contains all the symbols which are present here as well as here. Then it will find out, oh, if there is a symbol A which is external here, and if there is a symbol A which is already defined in this one, then it will directly link them, right? So this is done by linker. At what time? Link time. Now they are saying that when will this reference will be resolved? So reference resolve is nothing but symbol resolution, right? So who will do the symbol resolution? I told you, that is linker, right? And moreover, there are various times. Edit time. Edit time is nothing but the time during which you type the program. That is called edit time. And compile time is during compilation, and link time is during linking, and load time is once you give it to the loader. After linking you get one more object file, right? Single object file, and you'll give it to the loader. That is called load time. Therefore it is done at the link time by the linker. Answer is link time. Okay.